Hey guys, so today has kind of been one of those days where I wanted to get so much accomplished, but I just plain and simple didn't do anything except for play in the rain, which I do that every time it rains because I love the rain. But yeah, have you ever had one of those days where you just like give up? Like, I want to do so much today, but like, I can't even make myself get out of my room or out of my house and do anything. That's what today was like. And yeah. So, I don't know why I switched accents just then, because my accents suck, as we've previously discussed in my videos. But I like shoes. The pile of shoes on my floor over here. Those are all shoes. And a trash can that needs to be emptied. But like I said, too lazy to get anything accomplished. But I did do one thing today. See, I have this puffy paint, and I puffy painted some things because I got bored. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna puffy paint a heart. Ready for this? Are you ready for this? It's gonna be beautiful. Watch how puffy paint works. It's so puffy! Oh good gosh. And there you go. I puffy painted a heart on myself. Woo! Puffy paint is good for all sorts of things, except for when you don't want your paint to be puffy. And then, that's a problem, I guess. My baby sister's crying in the background of this video, and that's basically, yeah. Yeah, that works all the time. I don't even know what I'm saying right now, honestly. I don't know what I'm saying. Yes. You need to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video, and if you don't have a YouTube channel, then you're just lame. So, meh. So I keep trying to upload my tin can challenge video, and it won't upload, and it's driving me crazy. So, yeah. I don't really know what to talk about, so let's talk about puffy paint. This is the puffiest of all puffy paints. I'm back, guys, don't worry, I didn't even disappear. I played a trick on you. Oh. I'm such a freaking dork. But basically, my life is not complete without YouTube. And also, what I've been watching lately is Shane Dawson and Joey Graceffa's videos. Like, I've watched Shane Dawson for a while now, but he's got me hooked on Joey Graceffa now. Joey Graceffa is just like perfect. I want his hair. Why can't I have his hair and his teeth and his just whole face on with my body? And then we'll be like the perfect female. Why? But yeah, I'm gonna post a link to their channel so you can check them out. They're pretty epic, actually. Yeah, peace, guys. I'll talk to you later.